So this is officially video 3, and still going on. I don't know, probably not as intense. The wind's picking up. The weather's cooling down, so I'm thinking that the actual rain part of this will be coming on pretty soon. I moved to a slightly different location on the front porch of my house. A little afraid of actually stepping out into the driveway. Not many trees around my house. So, yeah, like I said, been going on for like the past hour or so, and nothing like natural fireworks to entertain you while the power's out. If these videos get good responses, I'll try and get some more wild weather-y stuff from here in Texas. So yeah, if you enjoy this and everything, let me know, leave comments, whatever. Oh, there you go, that was pretty good, wasn't it? I thought it was pretty cool. A nice good streak. We aren't getting too much of that. It's been mostly just this really intense in the cloud lightning.